Good morning, my little ones. How are you today? I am Bansri ma'am, and today in numeracy space, I am going to teach you a new number. Can anybody tell me which number we are going to learn today? Yes, we are going to learn number 8. But before that, we will quickly revise number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7.
This is number 0. Z-E-R-O 0. 0 means nothing. Now tell me which number comes after 0? Yes, number 1. This is number 1. O-N-E 1. 1 means one object, one crayon box. Now tell me which number comes after number 1? Number 2. This is number 2. T-W-O 2. 2 means two objects. 1, 2. 2 pens. 2 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? Yes, number 3. This is number 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 3 means 3 objects. 1, 2, 3. 3 sketch pens. Now after 3 which number comes? Number 4. This is number 4. F-O-U-R 4. 4 means 4 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sharpeners. 4 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? Number 5. This is number 5. F-I-V-E 5. 5 means 5 objects. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 erasers. Tell me which number comes after 5? Yes, number 6. This is number 6. S-I-X 6. 6 means 6 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chalks. After 6, which number comes? Number 7. This is number 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 7 means 7 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 crayons.
Now tell me which number will come after number 7? Yes, number 8. This is number 8. How do we spell number 8? E-I-G-H-T 8. Once again, repeat after me. E-I-G-H-T 8. Now, let's see few objects related to number 8.
This is number 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Now let's count these pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 pencils. अब हम यह इरेजर्स को काउंट करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 erasers. Now let's count these color bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 color bottles. Now let's count these color markers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 markers.
Now we will do one activity related to number 8.
किड्स अब हम नंबर 8 के रिलेटेड एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे. 8 EIGHT 8. Now tell me, what are these? Can anybody tell me? Don't they look like pizza slices? Yes, they look like pizza slices. अब हम क्या करेंगे, ये पिज़्ज़ा स्लाइसेस को ये प्लेट में 1 बाय 1 अरेंज करेंगे और एक पूरा बड़ा पिज़्ज़ा बनाएंगे. ठीक है, शुरू करें. लेट्स स्टार्ट. 1 pizza slice. Now I am keeping second pizza slice. Now I am taking third pizza slice and put it there. Now we will take fourth pizza slice and put it on the plate. Now fifth pizza slice, sixth slice, then we will put seventh pizza slice, and now we will put this eighth pizza slice on plate. See, our whole pizza is ready. Now let's count all the slices one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pizza slices make one whole pizza. Kids, now we will learn how to write number 8 on slate. अब हम यह डॉटेड लाइन को जॉइन करेंगे और 8 लिखेंगे. First we will make a C curve, then reverse C curve करेंगे. फिर वो दोनों कर्व को हम क्लोज कर देंगे. So this way we will write number 8. Now let's see the formation of number 8 one more time. C curve, reverse C curve and close both the curves. Number 8.
Now we will write number 8 in our notebook.
Here I have written today's date 1010.8.2020, 10th August 2020, and this is our heading number 8. Here I have written TO. T means tens, O means ones. Kids, all the single digit number from 0 to 9 we write below ones, means below O. Now let's start writing number 8. How we will write? From the middle of the box we will make C curve, reverse C curve, touch the bottom blue line and close it. C curve, reverse C curve, touch the bottom blue line and close. C curve, reverse C curve, touch the bottom blue line and close. C curve, reverse C curve, touch the bottom blue line and close. C curve, reverse C curve, touch the bottom blue line and close. C curve, reverse C curve, touch the bottom blue line and close. Now we will write in second column. Let's start. C curve, reverse C curve, touch the bottom blue line and close. C curve, reverse C curve, touch the bottom blue line and close. C curve, reverse C curve, touch the bottom blue line and close. C curve, reverse C curve, touch the bottom blue line and close. C curve, reverse C curve, touch the bottom blue line and close. C curve, reverse C curve, touch the bottom blue line and close. Now we will write in last column. C curve, reverse C curve, touch the bottom blue line and close. C curve, reverse C curve, touch the bottom blue line and close. C curve, reverse C curve, touch the bottom blue line and close. C curve, reverse C curve, touch the bottom blue line and close. C curve, reverse C curve, touch the bottom blue line and close. C curve, reverse C curve, touch the bottom blue line and close. Kids, आपको इस तरह ये पेज को कंप्लीट करना है, ठीक है?
Now on next page we are going to do one exercise. In this exercise we will draw 8 objects. So today we are going to draw 8 smiley faces.
यहाँ पे मैंने आज की डेट लिखी है और यहाँ पे लिखा है ड्रॉ 8 ऑब्जेक्ट्स। तो आज हम क्या ड्रॉ करने वाले हैं? 8 स्माइली फेसेस। टू ड्रॉ स्माइली फेस, first we will make one circle, then inside it we will make 2 small circles to draw eyes, and in the middle we will make smiley. Now another smiley, पहले सर्कल बनाएंगे, फिर उसकी आईज बनाने के लिए अंदर 2 छोटे सर्कल बनाएंगे और बीच में स्माइली फेस बनाएंगे। 1 smiley, 2 smiley. This way we will draw 8 smiley faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. आपको ऐसे 8 स्माइली फेस बनाने हैं। Now we will color them. So to color smiley faces I am taking yellow color. Let's color its face with yellow color. Slowly we will color its face. Now I am taking black color to fill it in its eyes. Now I am taking red color to make kids smile. See, I have colored all the 8 smiley faces with yellow color, but you can take any other color. Now let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 smiley faces.
Okay children, tomorrow we will meet again and revise number 8 with some more activities. Till then, bye bye. Take care.